Okay. That didn't work out. Let's go find some critters. I'll worry about those later. I gotta find me some critters. Hold on. No, I won't fall down here. Okay. Yeah, I gotta collect this green wood, man. Where can I find critters that give stuff? Minigames. I'm gonna play that later. Oops. Here comes the birds again. What is it this time? Just drop me. Okay, better. No, those birds. Let's water this. Speed you up. There, 99. What is floating in the water earlier? Tinker the owl collects old parts that he finds in the woods. I wonder what kind of stuff he has in that trunk of his. Okay, let's moving on. There's a warning sign. Okay. Hoot, a visitor. Gets so lonely here. I'll trade this old machine parts for wooden seagulls. Nope, I have no wooden seagulls. So, can I move past here? Nope, I can't, so... Go. Hardly ever catch fish anymore. Just stuff drops from Tiki Tree. Here, do you want this? Of course, thank you. So, I've collected 3 so far, and now we're back here. Okay. I should really put a lumber wood here. No, a lumber bot. And a lumber wood. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. No, I can't build any. So, guys, I'm so sorry for the interruption. As I was saying before, I got rudely interrupted by some... Where was I? Yeah. I found this floating thing in the water earlier. Doesn't seem anything useful. Do you want it? What's the other one? Sticky leaves. I don't go any further in the woods. It's plumb creepy up ahead. Take some supplies with you. So I can just move back and forth. These guys. What are these guys? Are these trees? I wonder what those things were. So let's go to the other tree. Let's go. Almost there. Okay, let's get rid of this. Get away. I'll take anything. Where am I? Hello? Hello? Then I kind of disappeared. Go to the other wood farm and get rid of those creepy floating heads. Let's do this. Okay, none in here. I get. Oh, these guys got rid of the wood. Oh, these no good creep. Oh no. Okay, get this moss number. Cool, I actually get number from it. Great job. I've completed it. One more. Use nest. I'm gonna get rid of these and plant more trees. Because they kinda ruined my trees. Please, why did you ruin my trees? Okay. Okay, I got rich wood. Let's water these. And then this one. Okay, let's go on. Let's go home and get some lumber, actually. Let's go let my dad make lumber. Yeah, common lumber. Let's do all and then moss wood. Just do one. You may have done this, but it looked like you have built a lumber bot 1.0. Okay, I'll make one. Again. I'll make one right here. I got common. Okay. Let's build a lumber bot. Okay. I got palm grass. Now new. Good, but that's still kid stuff. Let's see you build a lumber bot 2. Okay. I don't know how to build it 2.0, so it's just sturdy. Do I have sturdy? Oh, these are sturdy. These red ones. I have to cut down red. Okay. Oh, smoke you. I got rich. Okay. Let's see if I can make it grow. Is this a sturdy tree? Let's see. Is this a sturdy tree? Tell me. Just tell me. Grow. Is this a sturdy one? I don't know. Let's let this one grow. Maybe it's a sturdy tree. I don't know. Okay. Let's do this. And I'm very sorry if noises, because I'm not really in a quiet spot right now. They're very noisy in here. Okay, let's exchange all the redwood, red lumber. Okay, red lumber. Sorry guys, I've paused the game for many of times. I just have to tell them to be quiet. They're so noisy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I just need sturdy. Is this a sturdy? I think it's common. It's common, right? Yeah, I think it's common. Let's make this grow. Okay. Be pretty good, right? Yeah, it's common wood. What actually makes what the oh Oh, I derped. I derped. Um, and I'm back. I'm sorry, I derped. Okay, Lumberbot 2.0. I derped. Oh, we gotta get rid of these. Nice. I will smoke you. I'll smoke you to death. Are you done? Okay. No, it's your turn. Why can't why can't I hit you? Come on. Okay. I get which wood? Smoke. Mosswood. Okay, you're gonna die soon. I have a feeling. Yep, this guy's gonna die soon. Tiki bird. What does a tiki bird do? I wonder what does a tiki bird do. So a lumber bot causes sturdy lumber. What? They're back again? Wow, they grow fast. They really grow fast. Is this a new way to like get wood? This is pretty good. I mean, I get common wood from my bots. Ooh, golden timber. I really don't know what these are, so if you know what these are, please tell me in the comments below, because you will help me a lot, because I don't know what these are. Really. Oh, rich wood turn sturdy lumber. Oh, okay. So, yes. I know this video is shorter than the other one, I think. So, I hope you enjoyed the second episode, and dudes, I'll see you in the next episode, episode 3, and peace out.